Hello, fellow beings! It's Christmas season!
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. But the prettiest sight to see is the pancakes that will be made by your own you man.
Hello, fellow beings!
We will be making pancakes, Christmas special protein pancakes
Without any supplements, any protein powder,
pure egg whites and love of Christmas, and have a
very, merry protein pancake.
yeah. So let's get started.
Okay, so we will start off by getting the egg whites ready. I've taken around 6 eggs. Crack these eggs open and make them whatever. So let's measure the egg whites. That's 180 grams. So we've got the egg whites in the blender. We'll take the bread, and that's all you gotta do. Yup. Add the milk. We've got around 83 grams of milk, just like, swad anusar, just like for some flavor. You don't need the milk, but I like the flavor it gives. Otherwise, it's just to add artificial sweetener of your choice. This is optional. I'm going to add a teeny tiny bit of xanthan gum. Okay, just look at this. Okay, that's really little, like not even a spoon, half a spoon, a teaspoon, I guess. नहीं teaspoon ही कहते हैं ना, क्या कहते हैं? Okay, you got the xanthan gum. It gives really good fluffiness. If you've got it, it's good. If you don't, then it sucks, man. I mean, if you don't, it doesn't make much of a difference. But for me, it gives me a little bit of that fluffiness. And yeah, you got a little bit of salt, not too much, just for, I don't know, लोग मीठे में ऐसे नमक डाल देते हैं तो इससे ऐसे बड़ा अच्छा सा फ्लेवर आता है. But yeah, another reason to add salt is for that juicy pump if this is like a pre-workout meal. Okay, so we're gonna get the blender out and blend this up. So that's easy, just throw all your ingredients in here and don't forget this. Yup, and that's done. The mixture is done. Preheat your pan for like 5 minutes, something that I did not do. We are going to use a teeny tiny bit of butter, not too much because too many calories. A little bit of butter just to grease the pan. This is nothing complicated, it's damn easy, man. You just have to blend it and then just put it over here and you're done with your pancake. This brush really helps, man, to spread it around so that it doesn't stick to your pan. Let's go! Okay, so wait for like 5 minutes and then you'll see bubbles forming on top. That's when you know it's time to flip. Oh, good flip. Oh wow, it looks delicious, guys. Can you see it? Anita ji, aa jao, aap kar lo kaam.
Hello.
Once you see the bubbles forming,
Right.
it's time to flip. हाँ जी.
राइस के
हाँ?
राइस के बना
चावल के नहीं, bread.
ब्रेड
हाँ.
फोन में लाई हूँ मम्मी से पूछ कितना रोटी बनानी है.
अच्छा. पता नहीं. करता हूँ अभी. I put the flame on high, and once I see the bubbles, a little bit, but it's a little runny, so I put it again on sim, and then I put this back on.
मैं भी आ रही
Pancakes are
हूँ.
ready.
मैं भी आ रही हूँ. देखते रह.
देखो. अरे
आ रही हूँ मैं.
हीरोइन लग रहे हो.
हीरोइन लग रहे हो. छिछक जाए.
कि क्या हो जाए?
सेक जाए
हाँ गाइस, इसको तब तक करना जब तक ये सेक जाए।
सेक जाए
सेक जाए। एक बार ये सेक गए,
क्यों तो shouting
your pancakes are ready.
वीडियो
And
बन रहा है ना
my pancakes are ready. My pancakes are ready. Guys, damn, look at that stack here. Wow. Okay, so now we're going to work on the toppings. I've chosen strawberries because, you know, I think they're the lowest calorie fruits. I'm not sure. Berries, you can use any kind of berries. And if you microwave them, they're going to be amazing. They're going to be amazing. They're going to be amazing.
उसमें तो खाएगा ना
YouTube पे,
हाँ?
YouTube पे
हाँ, तो खाने के लिए बना रहा ना देख।
खाने को रेसिपी बना रहा हूँ। रेसिपी मतलब उन लोगों के लिए जो जिम करते हैं, जैसे मेरे को देखा आपने, ऐसे इट हेल्प्स टू बिल्ड मसल। ये ऐसे हनुमान बना देगा आपको पैनकेक खाओगे तो। That's the only way I can explain, है ना? समझ गए ना?
हाँ, समझ दिया हमने।
चलो, we got around 100 grams of strawberry and I'm adding 3 small spoons of sugar. That's artificial sugar. We're almost done. Just take this and throw it in the microwave. Put it in the microwave for almost 1 minute, 1.5 minutes, and keep a check on it because it should be done by that time depending on your microwave and stuff like that. Another element I'm going to add is coconut milk. I love the texture. That's why I'm going to use it as a topping today. This stack of pancake comes up to 444 calories and it's damn filling and tasty dude. It's a very good addition to my diet and it does help me stay lean. So yeah, it's all calories in, calories out. I am damn amazed. I'm very amused by the fact that how ignorant we are on calories in, calories out. How one's diet, how one's nutrition affects us. And there are a lot of fads, there are a lot of misconceptions. ये खाओ तुम पतले हो जाओगे, ये खाओ तुम मोटे हो जाओगे. It's all calories in, calories out. That's how you lose weight or gain weight. If you can, do try this recipe. The pancakes are amazing. If you don't like strawberries, you can use some other topping of your choice. Yeah. Sometimes when I don't have strawberries, I just put the coconut milk. And also, dude, I love Greek yogurt. I love putting Greek yogurt on my pancakes. That sounds dirty. Don't do crash diets. Find something that works for you. Find the food that you love to eat. And yeah, it's easy and delicious and tasty. So give it a try, and if you do, share a picture with me on Instagram and follow me. Okay, so I'm gonna finish the rest of this pancake, and don't be a creep and look at me like this, man. Let me eat in peace. Go. Get the fuck out of here. No, I'm joking. Bye. Merry Christmas. It's not Christmas yet, but yeah, one thing that I have to tell you, we are going to have a lot of Christmas episodes if I don't start being lazy again. So stay tuned for that. Bye bye human. Take care. See you. Subscribe, like, share. Please share. Please share. Happy holidays. See you next time.